Hello, my name is Matt Kuzem, and I have the privilege of being paid by Ericsson to make the world a better place through open source. Today I want to talk about something that's more for the developers than for the home gamers, if you will. Now, if you look at TraceCompass's code, you will see these try catches with scope log, for instance. And you're wondering what's going on here with this line of code. Well, if you look here, from here to here, it's in a try catch. This is an object that is being created that allows you to log TraceCompass, and this allows you to do proper tracing on TraceCompass. I'm going to go into it to show what happens. Your scope log here is an object, and it will write to the logger in its creation, and it will write to the logger at its destruction. Now, that means that since it's with a try loop or try with resources, you will have a log at your entry, and you're guaranteed to have a log at your exit, even if there are exceptions that are thrown on the way. We encourage you to use this kind of pattern and give it a try. You will see that this will make code debugging much, much easier. If there are any questions, we're available on the mailing list. We're available on social media. Please contact us. Thank you, and we hope to see you tracing soon.